Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we are going to learn how to download and install Dave app. If you don't have a Dave account, we will put our referral link in the description below for you to sign up. We will also put links for similar apps in the description below. To start, open the App Store by tapping on it. On the search bar, type in and search for Dave. So this is what the Dave app looks like. To download, tap on Get. After the download is finished, tap on Open. If you don't have an account yet, tap on Sign up for Dave. You could also check our Dave sign up tutorial video for a guide on how to sign up. But if you already have an account, tap on Login. To log in, enter first your registered phone number. You could also use your email address. Next, enter your password. Before you proceed, you need to verify your identity. A verification code will be sent to your phone number. Once you receive the code, enter it on the field Proved. It will also offer to use Face ID to log in. If you wish to, tap on Yes, sign in with Face ID. Otherwise, tap on Skip for now. To help secure your Dave app and accounts, you also need to create a 4-digit app passcode. And that's how you download and install Dave app. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also, check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.